So we're about to see The Social Network, and we heard it was really good, so we're excited to see it. And we have popcorn, drinks, and I have cake bites. Yeah. So
yeah, it's kind of pathetic. Look at
this one doesn't squeak. Oh.
Oh my god. No. No. I think someone pretty broken. No. More. It's here. Yeah. No, it's the bigger one. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Give him a duck.
Like that.
But the head doesn't work.
You want to squeak one of the ducks? What is that?
We are dog toy shopping.
What is that?
Oh, it scared me.
What is this?
It's
oh, a pheasant. God, I had to read the label. Oh my god, that is
so cute.
Look, that one's really pretty.
Oh,
I want it, Kristen. Look at that one. Kristen, thank you. This is why I need to work here.
Moose.
Oh, I just want to play with the
Moose. You are so pretty. I want to take a picture and send it to mom.
I want it, mommy.
Bammy.
I didn't vlog a lot today. Sorry about that. And I was supposed to vlog about how good the movie was, The Social Network, and I was really impressed with it. It was really good. I thought it wasn't going to be that good because it was about Facebook and like how good of a movie about Facebook could be. And I was impressed because I'm a big Facebook person. I really like Facebook. Yeah, I'm a nerd. Deal with it. And yeah, now I know how it all started, and so I guess that's kind of cool. And Jesse Eisenberg, Eisenberg? I don't know, I remember his name. But yeah, he was really good at it, and actually Justin Timberlake was really good at it too. I was very surprised because like, I really didn't think a guy from NSYNC could be a good actor, just saying. But yeah, I'm not feeling good today at all. I think I'm getting a cold, so I haven't been in the mood to talk because like, it feels like my throat's like scratchy and burning, and my nose is stuffy, and my head, like, honestly, I just feel like bleh. So I got this at nighttime and daytime, so I'm gonna pass out early tonight. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow or the next day after that will be better. Hopefully I won't get really sick. I'm praying, because especially when I'm just visiting here for like 2 weeks, I don't want to get sick, especially when the weather's a lot better here. So yeah, so end it now because I'm in for the night because I don't feel good. And yeah, so that's it for now. Alright, bye.